Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We have finally got the announcement of the next earnings report for FFIE that is happening tonight. We are going to be covering it live. I'll be covering it, Martyn will be covering it, I'll be looking at the charts, I'll be analysing what they say in the meeting and covering the price action. Martyn will be looking at the fundamentals. We'll be here live throughout the event and before the event even starts, so we can see what guidance they have given us before the earnings start. We'll be listening in and we'll be trading it live. I just want to bring some information to you before that live event starts. You will be live all day, so you can see the live logo on the channel. You can click that, pop in, ask us when it's going to start, ask us questions before the start, or join us for that live event. The link to that will be in the description and at the end of this video. I also wanted to show you, I've just asked ChatGPT, FFIE stock. I have heard that the stock, if the stock stays above $1 by this Friday, is not in danger of delisting. Can you research this and explain this rule and if it's right? ChatGPT has confirmed that by Friday, if the stock remains above $1, it will not be delisting according to NASDAQ rules. So this is very good for the price of FFIE, for the chance of there being a short squeeze. This is what we want to be able to, what we want to hear. It is very important information, and this is its full answer. Faraday Future FFIE has been dealing with delisting threat from NASDAQ due to its stock trading below $1 share for an extended period of time. According to NASDAQ rules, if a company's stock stays below $1 for 30 consecutive business days, it receives a deficiency notice. This triggers a 180 calendar day period during which the stock price must close at or above the $1 price per share for at least 10 consecutive business days to regain compliance. I'll be showing you the chart right now and my thoughts. If FFIE stock remains above $1 for 10 consecutive business days by this Friday, it will avoid delisting for the time being. Should the company fail to meet this requirement within the initial 180 days, it can be granted an additional 180 days if it meets certain criteria, such as transferring to the NASDAQ capital market. We don't want to see that happen. I then also asked, their earnings is today. Can you explain what we need to hear from them that will increase the price and how it can cause a short squeeze? What should we look out for? At the end of the day, that is what the investors want right now, is a short squeeze. It is very risky. It's not financial advice, but I'll be showing you my position at FFIE as well. Faraday Future Intelligent Electric is set to report its earnings today, and several factors could influence the stock price and potentially trigger a short squeeze. What we need to look for? We need to look for their revenue and earnings. Investors will be keen on the company's revenue and earnings per share. Positive surprises in these metrics could boost investor confidence and increase the stock price. FFIE needs to show significant improvements in vehicle sales and an overall financial health compared to previous quarters. Remember, they are not looking good as a business perspective. They need to show us that they are looking okay and some good news to come out. Forward guidance. Management's outlook for the upcoming quarter is crucial. If FFIE provides optimistic guidance for the future production sales or strategic partnerships, it could positively impact the stock price. Operational updates. Details about production milestones such as rollout of their new vehicle models or technological advancements can also drive the stock price. Investors will look for signs that FFA is overcoming past operational challenges and is on track to meet its business goals. Depth and cash flow. Investors will scrutinize the company's financial stability. Clear plans for managing debt and improving cash flows are essential for long-term viability and investor confidence. This is what we're going to be looking out for. This is why we're watching the earnings call, to see exactly what they're going to be saying, especially at the end when investors ask questions. And then here's the potential for the short squeeze. This is the triggers we need for a short squeeze. A significant earnings beat. If FFIE significantly exceeds earnings expectations, it can cause a rapid increase in stock price as short sellers rush to cover their positions. Positive news and momentum. Any positive news regarding partnerships, production milestones, or strategic initiatives could attract buying interest and push the stock price higher. High trading volume. Sustainable high trading volume, especially from retail investors or institutional interest, can contribute to a short squeeze by increasing demand for the stock. Remember, the float, about 80% of it is shorted, and we want to see it high volume today. So yes, that's me asking ChatGPT. Now I'll quickly show you the chart of FFIE. You can see from May the 16th, we closed at 164, so that was our first day of closing above $1. The next day we closed at a 103, so investors kept the price above $1. So that's 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Here we closed at 111, so it's still above $1. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 days so far it's closed above $1. If we close above $1 today, if we close above $1 tomorrow, and if we close above $1 on Thursday, Friday would mean great news. We've stayed above $1. And that is what everyone wants. Now onto my position. I am invested. I am with the people now. I am taking it as a gamble. It's not financial advice. Don't do this with your own shares. Do your own research. But I am now buying FFIE. I am in for the risk. I'm in for the gamble. Let's see how it goes. My average cost is $1.17. I did buy above using a limit order at way above to help, as I've heard that is good for the investors. So I'll show you my full position tonight and if I'll be buying any more. So that is it for this video. Come back for the live stream, pop into the chat now. We're going to be live all day, and if you're watching this after the earnings, let me know your thoughts. Please do leave a like on this video, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I'll see you tonight. Thank you.